you've gone on your trip, you've arrived in your hotel room, and you're going to head straight to the bathroom because right there is the most useful item in your hotel room. And I have over 50 uses for this shower cap.
You have 50 uses for a shower cap.
Yes.
Sweetheart, you need to date more, get a hobby.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
let's go.
yes, so what is the dirtiest and filthiest thing in your hotel room?
I'm gonna guess that you're gonna say the remote.
Yeah, I'm not a germaphobe, but this thing in hotel rooms is so filthy. They found hundreds of things on it. It never gets cleaned. So the first thing you want to do when you go into your hotel room is to put that
Put
over
the bonnet on the hotel, do that.
Right, that's a very good tip.
I would agree with that.
So maybe you've bumped your head or you've rolled over on your foot and you've hurt your ankle. You can make an ice pack.
Out of your shower cap.
Yeah.
Or maybe you just had a few too many the night before, to be honest.
So you can keep filling it up.
And a little ice pack.
Yes.
Lovely. Refreshing. Okay.
Okay, so you've just purchased or you've just been given a fabulous new camera and you've gone on vacation and it rains. So what are you going to do?
That's a good one.
You bring this out.
A little rain bonnet.
Yes, bring out.
That's a good one. Boop.
But if you keep it covered, you can also create some cool effects with blurred images. So you might also want to experiment with it.
You'll look so much younger if you start putting shower curtains over your pictures.
Okay. So
now, what's the scissors for?
So this is one of my favorite ones. Okay, so I arrive at the gym, at the hotel one day. I want to use the gym, but I don't have a hairband. So I'm like, what am I going to do? The shower cap.
Oh, shut up. Did you really?
This is such a great tip. Yeah. And I've even had compliments about it. Someone commented going, oh, what a lovely hairband you have. So what you need to do is just fold it like this, then cut it here. Cut it, give a little bit of plastic. This is to give it a bit of decoration, in fact. If you don't have scissors, you can actually tear at it, or if you really want to go into survivor skill, you can use the nail file.
Or how about the wine opener, the wine key from the mini bar?
So you have this.
That's so cute.
And then I will show you.
It's really cute.
And it really works.
You made your own scrunchie. I
made my own scrunchie, and it actually looks quite pretty, and I've used it in yoga classes and gym classes, and people comment and say how pretty it looks. But in an emergency, it really works very, very well. And then you can even, like...
That is awesome! Ta-da! Rach, you're the bomb.